Basically, you can adjust the form, you can adjust many things, but I like to keep my form short. So the first thing you are using is the level. So you have level 1, and just like my form, I don't have anything to do with the name, so I can, but I'm supposed to change the label because the label is supposed to tell my users something they're supposed to do. And I'm going to use enter a. Now we are doing the, oh sorry, I changed the name. I don't want to change the name, I want to change the text. So enter a is my text, and it's just going to be there. It's not going to have any usefulness. It's just going to tell my users that this, just use it. That's what we're supposed to do. Enter a, right? So I use Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy these things, and I can say here enter B. I can also say here enter C. So that's my label. That's my label. Then the next thing is text box. Text box is where the user would enter a value. And we're doing a quadratic equation, so the three inputs are supposed to enter is A, B, and C. Then there's the D. The D you calculate the D yourself. Also use Control C, Control V. Okay, a label like this, and Control V again for C. So this one I'm going to name it because I'm going to use it in the code. So the name is text box 1. I'm going to name it AA. And don't name it A, because if you name it A, when declaring your variable, you have to name your variable something else. But I want to name my variable A. So I'm going to name it A, and I'm going to name this one AA, BB, and CC. Oh, sorry. So in case you also double clicked any of those buttons, just erase this one, cancel it, and go back to your phone. So if I should double click this right now, it will show me the code, and I have to like just delete it. And you don't have to cancel it, but just come here. I'm wondering why you don't have to cancel it. But I double click this will show this is supposed to be a code whereby, well, I don't need this, but let me just delete it and leave it there. Now let's go back to my phone. I don't need to delete it, but I just like that I delete it. Now, so this is enter A, enter B, enter C, and I think I double clicked it. So I need to change the name to CC. And that's that. And finally, I need my buttons. BUTT. My buttons are here. So where did I calculate? Okay, I'm also going to change the text to calculate. Where's the text? This is text. I change to calculate also. Calculate. Then I enlarge it here. Copy and paste. I only need two buttons. Right? And they are calculate and what's end program. So the end is supposed to help me end my projects. This is text end. Let's make it smaller. Yep, because it's nice like that. That way I can reduce this. And also I'm going to, that's just the text. I need to name it. I need to name my end button end. So that's how variables are named. Just name them what you want to use them for. That's better. Okay, you can name it end. You can't name it end because it's already a variable, so I can name it end1, end2, anything. So that's cool. I can name it end. Then I can click on my buttons, calculate, because that's what I want to use, and my design. I can click on end, and that's just that. You're fine. You're good to go. So you all you have to do is click end, and my project will end when that button is clicked. And this is where I have to like do my calculations. This is where I implement my calculate button code. So when you come for the next class, you would see where I implement these codes.